My name is Brett Compton. I'm an assistant professor in the Mechanical, Aerospace, and Biomedical Engineering Department at the University of Tennessee in Knoxville. My research focuses on direct-write additive manufacturing of thermoset composites with a focus on understanding feedstock development and how rheology and deposition parameters affect mechanical properties in the resulted printed part. My goals for this workshop are to learn as much as I can about the state-of-the-art of polymer-derived ceramics and take that knowledge or the approaches or the understanding and apply my 3D printing methods to those resins.
And what are the potential future?
From my perspective, I think there's great potential to incorporate polymer-derived ceramics or pre-ceramic polymer resins into various additive manufacturing technologies to enable 3D printing of net-shaped ceramic composites of complex geometry. I think that is a large area of untapped potential at this point.